Alright guys, so check this out. Tint Wiz actually sent me a small package. They usually do this once in a while. So Tint Wiz, thank you so much. Eric, appreciate it for sending this out. We're gonna open it. I haven't opened it. So we're gonna check it out, what they sent me today. So go ahead and check them out. Check out their page at tintwiz.com. You can follow them on Instagram as well. So what we're gonna do is open up the box, see what we got, see what goodies are inside. Gotta be careful. So we'll see what's inside, guys. Man, I should have brought something else. Damn, this. There we go. Well, what an epic fail, but we managed to open it. All right. They're well known to send candies, so thank you, Tint Wiz, Kit Kat. And here we got is a coffee cup. Nice. It says Tint Wiz. All right. They sent 2 of them. So I could have one here in my small office where I have my computer. And they send out a bunch of stickers. Nice. So what I may end up doing is anyone that gets a ceramic tint job with us with solar window tinting, I'll probably throw a couple stickers. Looks like they sent a bunch. Man, they look nice. Alright, so we got stickers. They actually sent me those as well. Put them in there. Here's another candy. Yeah, just a bunch of stickers. Alright, well, once again, thank you, Tint Wiz, for sending me this small package, small care package that they send. Appreciate it. The cups are pretty nice. They're nice. They look like good quality. All right, guys, but yeah, that's it. Once again, thank you, Tint Wiz. I'll put their link down below. Check them out and give them a try. They also have some nice stuff they have sent me. They have sent me this microfiber towel. It's nice. This from the last box that they sent. But there you guys go. Check them out. Peace out, guys.